ABC Stories is split into 3 different volumes, one book for practice, one for uppercase letters, and another for lowercase letters. Let's take a look at the practice book first. The practice section is further divided into 6 sections. They are as follows: a line drawing section, letter matching, letter imitation using uppercase letters, letter imitation using lowercase letters, a free draw area, and a puzzle section. I'm going to click on the line section first. This pre-writing level focuses on line formation. Users will be able to practice the horizontal, vertical, curved, and diagonal lines that make up letters. The lines practiced in this section are the building blocks for the rest of the activities in the app. Clicking on a shape will take the user to a 2D environment where they will be guided through drawing the chosen shape. In this example, the green dot will flash indicating the starting point for this particular shape. After the green dot flashes and the narration finishes, the next dot in the sequence will flash, directing the user to draw a line from the starting dot to the next dot. As the user draws, they collect coins. The coins are not only a great reward system, but they are also how we determine handwriting accuracy. The smiley face in the upper left corner of the screen will come into view to indicate when a user is in the correct drawing space. To go back to the previous page, press the back button. The letter matching section focuses on letter recognition through a series of letter matching games. Letter matching is broken into 3 different letter matching subsections: A through Z, comprising both uppercase and lowercase letters, lowercase b and d, and lowercase p, g, and q. Tapping on a selection will take the user to the corresponding matching game. I'm going to click A through Z. My goal in this game is to find all matches for the black letter at the top. To make a match, the user simply taps on a letter that matches the black letter at the top. When a match is successful, the letter changes to an emoji to let the user know that they got the match right. When all matches have been found, the user is presented with the "You Win" screen. Clicking Reset will start a new matching game with the same letter range parameters. Clicking back will return the user to the previous page. Now, let's take a look at the letter imitation section. For this video, I am going to click on uppercase. This portion of the practice section focuses on letter imitation through guided visual practice. Selecting on a letter will take the user to a split-style drawing space. The left side of the space shows a GIF of how the letter should be formed. The user will be able to replay this GIF as many times as necessary. On the right side, the user is able to draw the presented letter. Clicking Replay will replay the video. Clicking Clear Drawing will clear the drawing. And selecting Done will save an image of the letter drawn by the user and upload that image to the database for review by the instructor. Next, we have the free draw section. This section of the practice book allows the user to practice their handwriting in a context they are more likely to encounter in the real world. This section mimics a real piece of paper that the user can freely draw on. The user can choose the paper type, the line width, and the pencil width. Clicking Clear Drawing will reset the canvas. Clicking Done will save an image of what was drawn by the user and upload that image to the database for review by the instructor. Finally, we have the puzzle section. This is a fun bonus addition to ABC Stories and is a great way to both review letter recognition and see familiar faces from the augmented reality chapters. The puzzle section is separated into uppercase and lowercase letters and grouped in the same way as the letters found throughout the augmented reality chapters. To do a puzzle, the user will tap on a set of letters. Similar to the letter matching game, the user will be presented with an instruction letter as well as a group of possible matches. When a match is found, the user will tap on the match to reveal a piece of the puzzle. Finding all matches results in a completed puzzle and a fun, celebratory emoji. Now that I have shown you all of the 2D sections, let's move on to the 3D augmented reality sections of ABC Stories. The augmented reality sections of ABC Stories are separated into 2 different books. one book of uppercase letters, and one of lowercase letters. The uppercase book is designed to be taught first, as capital letters are easier to learn. The uppercase book is also structured to follow the same natural writing progression as the line practice section: straight, horizontal, and vertical lines, followed by lines with curves, and finally, diagonal lines. The lowercase book is broken into segments designed to build upon the previous section. For example, letter C is taught first to help with letter A, D, G, and O. Both augmented reality books use interactive storytelling. Each book is split into 5 chapters, each with its own unique characters and story. The method of learning in these stories is gamified, meaning children are learning how to write the featured set of letters while also playing a game. They are first engaged with the visual storytelling, the graphics and animation in augmented reality. They are then called into action. When characters in the stories are experiencing a problem, the app switches to a 2D handwriting page where the child has the opportunity to collect coins while tracing a letter. Once a letter is successfully completed, the child is rewarded with positive audio and visual feedback as the augmented reality story continues. Now for the augmented reality demo. For this AR demo, I will be showcasing a small portion of Chapter 4 in the uppercase book. This chapter is the story of Keely the Koala. Keely the Koala is a veterinarian at the Koala and Crew Animal Hospital. As I mentioned earlier in this video, each letter the child is asked to draw is presented as a challenge for the character in the story. In this case, Keely needs to make her rounds, but first needs to put on her lab coat. The app will switch from 3D to a 2D drawing space, similar to what you saw in the line section. Once the letter is finished, the app will return the user to the 3D environment. In this case, after letter K is complete, Keely will put on her lab coat and be off to see her first patient, Velma the Viper. Velma has gotten herself all tied up in a knot, and the user must trace the letter V to help untie Velma. Here we go.
Keely the Koala is a veterinarian at the Koala and Crew Animal Hospital. Keely's job is to help other animals. Before starting her exams, Keely needs to put on her lab coat. Trace the letter K to help Keely get ready.
Can you find the green dot and trace a line to the red dot? Great job! Now, can you find the blue dot and trace a line to the orange dot? Amazing! Next, can you find the yellow dot and trace a line to the purple dot? Perfect!
Great job! Keely has put on her coat and she is ready to go. First on her list is Velma the Viper. Oh no! Velma is in a knot! Trace the letter V to help Keely untie Velma.
Can you find the green dot and trace a line to the red dot? Great job! Now, can you find the blue dot and trace a line to the orange dot? Amazing!
You have traced the letter V and Velma is free.
Although that was just a sneak peek, ABC Stories has 10 total chapters, 5 uppercase and 5 lowercase. Each chapter features a new set of characters along with different environments and unique storylines. We hope you enjoy them all.